An incredible story unfolds in the Florida swamps. Burmese pythons, originally from Southeast Asia, now hunt side by side with American alligators, the true owners of the Everglades. For the first time in history, these two apex predators are clashing for territorial dominance. Initially, the alligator has the upper hand. With an incredibly powerful bite that exceeds 2,000 pounds per square inch, it has everything it needs to subdue the python. Theoretically, the snake should have no chance of escaping such a brutal attack. But what happens when the unusual becomes reality? In a surprising twist, even after a confrontation that drags on for hours, the python can find a happy ending. There are rare cases where the snake manages to intimidate the alligator and force it to give up the fight. The swamp, which has always belonged to the alligator, now has a dangerous new competitor.